Hey guys, so today I'm going to potentially show you how to avoid paying taxes and pay off your debts. Now the debt part only applies to the people in America. However, how to lawfully avoid paying taxes applies to all countries. Okay, so you guys can come and have a look at this. I'll put all the links below in the description, but the video in this case is called Financial Freedom, Debt Elimination, Prosperity and Abundance with Tansen Fairmont, the short version by the YouTube channel 21st Century Superhuman. And you also get a free, I'll quickly whiz over to here, this is the website. So to get an activated plan, I thought this was a very extremely reasonable price, guys. It's a one-off payment of $2,500. So you pay $2,500 and you'll never have to pay taxes ever again. Sounds like a deal to me. They've got heaps of... They've got a lot of testimonials. You can download a free ebook, which is 80 pages of all about the Natural Law Trust, because that's what it is. It's called the International Natural Law Trust. Okay. We'll have a look at this. So you can download your free book there when you sign up. Now they're selling this book on Amazon, but you can get it free here. The ebook covers everything about how the cultural creatives, change makers, conscious, I've spelled that wrong, I think, wealth managers and contributors to golden age are quietly transacting sacred commerce. Now this is what this type of trust is what all the super rich people use, guys. So let's have a look back at here. So freedom from taxes, guys. Now here, what do we got here? Computer's a bit slow. International Natural Law Trust. So like I say, I'll put a link below where you can come and look at this yourself. And in this, he also tells you how to, eliminate debt. Valid in all countries. Well, the natural law, to avoid paying taxes is all countries. But they specifically tell you how to get rid of your debts. That applies specifically just for the US. Okay. So you set up this International Natural Law Trust, and bada boom, bada bing, or bada bing, bada boom. Now I've just found out about this. I will definitely be doing this as soon as I get the 2,500. I think you can actually, did you guys see it? You can actually, yeah, you can do they've got a payment system too. The conceptual content of these trusts is elegant, simple, straightforward, effective, very simple. Now it's also what's called irrevocable trust, and that it can't be, no one can get into it except you, basically. Click here for a letter from the IRS showing how such trusts have no filing requirements. Okay, guys? So this trust, there's a letter from the IRS that says that such trusts, you do not have to file tax. File tax documents or file your tax. All the letters 97 is still true today. They're not likely to change any time because the elite themselves use it. So, yeah, they're not changing it because this is what the super rich use. So, same tax exemptions exist in most countries. Okay. Still do your research, but I would, you guys are out there trying to, trying ways to make money. this here, I would suggest, is the biggest way to save money, guys. Okay, so what do you pay? I think in the in America there, you guys are paying at least 50% tax. I don't know. I'm not sure about that. I'm in New Zealand. But okay, best case scenario, you get $1,000 a week. Best case scenario, you guys pay 30% tax, say. So every week, work it out. Every week you'll be saving whatever, $400, $300 a week, guys. But I'm pretty sure you guys tax in America is pretty hefty, 50%, I think, in the upper ranges and that. So come and have a look at this, guys. To me, 2,500 is, people will spend that on a good TV. So for the 2,000, you can do it two options. You can pay the 2,500 one-off. Now, yeah, you guys that are into cryptocurrencies, get 2,000. What I would do is get $2,500 worth of profits, slam it onto this, set up your trust. They do it all for you guys. Okay, that's the other thing. They set up your trust within 2 days. In your name, you get the trust manual, bonuses, instructions for obtaining ID number for bank account, etc., etc. So you put all your businesses in there, you put your house, all your real estate, and then once it's in there, nobody can touch it. Trust is fully active and ready to use, so that's you pay the 2,500. Or you can do a down payment, sort of to get the ball rolling. You can do a $250 US down payment. But it's not activated, okay? So I might even look at that. Trust is almost ready to go and will be fully activated when the balance is paid. Partial trust delivered within 2 business days. Email consultation and trust writer. Excuse me. Telephone consultation privilege with trust writer. Okay. So, like I say, I'll leave all the links below. Payment plan for full activated. I think I've covered that. Or what's this? Hold on. For those who wish to purchase the trust but don't have the 2,500 up front, they have an automated payment plan. So they've also got a payment plan, guys. This means when the customer wishes to enter this plan, their merchant bank would automatically charge the customer's debit or credit card $250 a month, guys. Okay, so you can pay this off too. $250 a month, so what's that? $65 a week or something, until it's paid. Then the customer sees the activated trust in full, okay? 0, so you don't have to pay any interest. This is great for existing unactivated trust customers who paid 2-in-1 time and got the partial set up, and for new customers. In both cases, the customer received the unactivated and when it's paid full. Better late than never. Any customer interested in this should first order the unactivated trust. If not done already, then da-de-da. Okay. Now, hold on, let's get rid of this. So, guys, look, obviously, do your research, contact these guys, have a look at their, have a look at their testimonials, go onto the website, do your due diligence. There's frequently asked questions. You can contact them. They've got resources. They've got that free 80-page ebook all about it, so you can read that. You can contact them. They're very approachable. They've done a lot of videos online, and I'll leave the links to everything below, guys. And I'll definitely be doing this. Okay, put it that way. I'll tell you guys when I've sort of all set it up. Just have to decide whether I want to, go pay once lump sum or, pay it off. Anyway, a great way to lawfully, that's the thing, This is not against the law, guys. This is lawful. Okay? Now this guy here, the guy Tenson Fremont, this guy here, he said that he's never had any problems from the government or anything. Okay? Never been questioned about it, nothing. Okay? He's been doing this for years too, and he's never had a problem. Why? Because this is exactly what the super rich do. They put it into these international trusts. Okay? So I'll keep you guys, look into it too. And if you want to save, well, how much tax do you pay over a lifetime? So 2,500, which is price of a TV or a new computer, or even half a computer. You never have to pay tax again. Okay. But do your research. This is not financial advice at all. Okay, entertainment purposes only, but this is the chance to save yourself thousands, maybe even millions of dollars. Okay, never be hassled by the IRS tax department ever again. Okay, so like I say, and I've only covered the international trust, international law, natural law trust part of it. People in the US, you can also learn how to pay off your debt. Now I'm pretty sure it's only unsecured debt, okay, so like credit cards and all that, okay? You can't pay off debt like mortgages and all that, okay? Just unsecured, anything like credit cards. So if you've got loads and loads of credit card stuff and all that, you can get rid of that too, okay? Once again, though, not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. But there it is there. Look, see, debt elimination and a bunch of other stuff. Okay. Now, every now and then I bring stuff like this that hopefully can help you guys. Well, I'm too busy to do sort of pretty looking, I started off by doing pretty looking thumbnails and that, but I haven't got the time anymore. So sorry about that, but I think if people can get past the lack of pretty thumbnails, they should find material like this very useful.